Ever buy herbs just to find them a week later in a half wilted, melted puddle? Yeah, me either. Yeah, right. Sometimes life just happens and you forget about herbs in your fridge. It happens to all of us, but I'm going to show you a very simple and easy way to store your herbs that last for months. I used to live out in Rendon and we had about half an acre and it was basically just a giant garden plot. Our entire lot, just anywhere you could plant something, I planted it. We had potatoes, tomatoes, onions, garlic, eggplant, okra, corn, squash, you name it, we grew it. We loved it. And one of the things that we learned early on is that we planted a lot of extra stuff and we didn't really know how to preserve it. So over the years, I have found that this technique works so well for preserving your herbs. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. See you next time. Bye.